Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by pulling the code, plug in an OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner, and record the exact fault number because the code tells you where to focus. Once done, confirm battery voltage. Low volts change sensor readings, so make sure the battery is stable at about 12. For 12, 8 volts. Next, visually trace wiring harnesses, connectors, and vacuum lines around the intake and ECU. You're looking for chafing, corrosion, or loose pins. These first actions narrow the problem and prevent wasted parts replacements later. Now check sensors tied to the code. Test the MAF, MAP, or TPS with a multimeter and compare readings to the Aerox spec, because drift causes lean or rich errors. Make sure to clean the throttle body and replace a clogged air filter. Excessive deposits change airflow signals. Then verify fuel delivery. Measure fuel pressure and inspect injector spray patterns, since weak pressure or clogged injectors trigger misfires and catalyst warnings. If a sensor reads out of range, replace it and clear codes to retest. Finish by replacing confirmed faulty parts, reconnecting everything and clearing the codes. Then take the Aerox for a controlled test drive to load the systems. While driving, monitor live data for about 5 to 10 minutes. Look for steady sensor outputs and normal fuel trims, because intermittent faults often reveal themselves under load. If the check engine returns, stop and rescan immediately, then inspect ECU grounds and connectors. Bad grounds or a failing ECU can mimic many sensor faults, so don't skip that step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.